Hi, welcome back. Another important topic. So, how to find output condition record by using tables on SAP ECC or S4 HANA. So, let's try to dig. This is a small thing, but it is sometimes important to give the logics. So, the table is B star tables, like how you have in pricing A star tables that I have already done one video. If you really wanted to know, you can able to try that. Certain times in interviews, they might expect interview questions on this topic also. So let's go to SC16N. Okay. So let me try to check first what are all the tables exist. Let's go to the reference IMG, and it's quite simple. You come here, there is something called sales and distribution, and this is something called billing. So not this one. Let's go to the basic functions. Let's come here, output control and output determination. Okay, so let's take, if you would like to check for sales, you can check, and if you would like to check for billing and a delivery section, you will have the similar kind of things. See, your condition tables is nothing but the requirements of your customer. Okay, if it is pricing requirements, if condition exclusion requirements, and if it is output requirements. All these are the different tables we have. You can able to see this 008 011, okay, and 570678. Okay, so in this system it is very less, but in real time probably you might expect 100 to 200 tables if it is big project. So let's go here. SC16N. So B678. This is one of the table. Okay. If you know output, you can able to give the output. And if you know the billing type, this is basically the combination. Okay. You can able to get it. So now you can able to see here one of the billing output record, it is got maintained. Okay. So let's check B008. Okay, probably this is the standard one. Let's execute. See, so many output records, 26 records got maintained. In this, if I would like to filter, which belongs to my document type F2, for example, I'm just giving. Okay. So this is practice system. That's why it is having many things. Okay. Now see this output types and billing type and condition record. Okay. This is one of the key important thing you should know. Okay. So what I would like to say is, let me show you one more if you want it. Let's take another combination. Okay. So here sales org also there. So for example, ZS01 I'm giving. I don't think so. I'm not maintained, but still I'm checking. Okay. One condition record is available with this combination with sales org and this condition type. Okay. Let's take out this one and let's run this. So now you can able to see this. All these are the different kind of billing document types on sales organizations and output types defined for billing. You can able to find all these are this. Okay. See, you can able to find a few more details. Okay. Okay. You can able to see this. And previously I have explained one more table. There's something called, one second, let me open this. NAST. Okay, NACH. Okay, in this NACH, if you pass this condition record, you will get all details. Okay, like this. Okay, medium and all the stuff. So B star table, certain times it is useful while giving the logic for a map person. Depends on the certain form requirements. Okay. Okay, I think you learned something. If you like this video, please like. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And it is for you. It is your property. Okay. So if you really wanted to learn something, you can able to ask some questions. Okay. Don't hesitate. And currently I'm holding 5,700 students. And this is my top course, sales and distribution. I'm adding over there this video also as a tip. And this is for idoc. Never neglect these two courses. Any functional consultant, especially, you can, if you don't have any knowledge, you can try this course. And this is getting master to write functions. And these two courses are mandatory to go ahead. Okay, all these are the different pricing courses available, and 2027 is the mark for S4 HANA. In interviews also 10 to 20% they will expect questions on this. You try S4 HANA basics, it is helpful while working. Okay, that's all today for today. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really wanted to subscribe my courses, you can give a try. Okay, all the best. Jai Hind. Have a great day. Thank you.